Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pixel step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the materials needed for the setup. Ensure you have your Pixel device, a Wi-Fi connection, and your Google account information ready. Turn on your Pixel device by pressing and holding the power button. Select your preferred language from the list of options displayed on the screen. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Once connected, your Pixel will check for updates. Follow the on-screen prompts to start setting up your device. Sign into your Google account by entering your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll have the option to create a new one. Once signed in, you'll see the option to back up your data. Decide if you want to restore data from a previous device or set it up as new. If restoring, follow the prompts to select the backup you wish to use. Set up your security options by choosing between a PIN, password, or biometric options. Next, you'll have the opportunity to customize Google Assistant settings. Allow Google to access your location services for improved functionality. Review and accept the terms and conditions presented. Your Pixel will continue to finish the setup process. Once completed, you'll be taken to the home screen. Explore the settings to customize your device further. Finally, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.